Hello, in this video I want to show you how to activate a gaming counter on GIGABYTE monitor. To do this, first we'll need to press on the button on the back right side of our screen, move to the right to enter Game Assist. Inside there's a game info and a gaming timer. Here you'll be able to switch it off or go for a count up or count down. If you decide on count down, we can move to the right or actually click on OK and then adjust our timer. When you're ready, click on OK until it's highlighted like this. Then click on the button again and the countdown timer should begin. And here it is in the top right corner of our screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.